Hello everybody! Hello everyone! Ito po, gumawa po tayo ng vegetable pork burger. Ito yung mga ingredients natin. Sliced tomato, sliced onions, lettuce at saka pork patties. Ito na. Itong lettuce, hinugasan ko na po ito. Lagyan na natin yung pork patties. Lagyan natin ng low carb mayonnaise. Ayan. Very healthy mayo. Low carb pork burger. Lagay na ang tomato. Sliced onions. Tsaka yung isa pang lettuce. Ayan, madali lang gawin. Kasi niluto ko na yung pork patties before ako nagba-vlog. Ayan, very healthy, low carb vegetable pork burger. Let's eat. Sarap and very healthy. Low carb nga. Low carb burger. No bread. Try nyo gumawa nito. Sobrang sarap. Madali lang gawin. Done. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.